cloud. All right, cool. Looks like we're all set up here. So for this VTuber project and process, there's a couple different pieces and tools that we need to use.
Okay.
So the tools that we need to use are ChatGPT-4, and this will be used for creating the script, creating instructions for Stability.ai design and instructions for animator. So that's what ChatGPT-4 will be doing. And then we have Stability.ai/DreamStudio.ai. And whoops, let me adjust that so the link isn't broken. These tools will help you. This will help you produce the image to share, or the image references to share with the animator designer.
Okay, I got it.
All right, and then there's another piece here. It's called synthesis.io, and this will help us get the voices for the character. So there's these three tools that we'll need to get this done. It's not, the process isn't too hard. I think it took me about like 30 minutes to get the whole thing together for this this first MVP VTuber thing that I set up. I just had to figure out what we needed to do. So let's go into ChatGPT. I'll share this prompt with you. Okay, so I have the $20 a month ChatGPT premium because it has a couple useful tools. The tool that I enabled here is Web Pilot, and this allows ChatGPT to like read the web. If we need a team account, it's something I can get, but I think this is useful because like this gets us recent information. So I typed this prompt in, and I'll share all these prompts with you so that you can start using them. You can start editing them for different scripts because the scripts will need to change here and there. But this is the prompt: act as a master YouTube video script writer and creepypasta writer. Write a funny, humorous creepypasta for a trending indie computer game. The game should be real. Please select a game that will make for funny but also scary comedy. The script will be portrayed by a female VTuber, virtual YouTuber character. So please write in a cute, funny, but also slightly trolling tone. Make the script about 7 minutes long when read aloud. I'll say this isn't 7 minutes long. It's more like 2 minutes, 45 seconds. So this isn't perfect, but I'm still happy with that result, like the script that we got. This is the output it gives us here. Here we go. This wasn't exactly what I wanted. I think there were a couple issues. So I had to give it some additional instructions. This is great, but the VTuber should be reading the creepypasta from a first-person perspective, as if someone else wrote the creepypasta, and read it with a humorous, cute, but also slightly ironic tone. So the first thing you get, it might look pretty good, but we might have to give it additional instructions to get the script the way we want it. So I gave it that. It gave us this updated thing here. But then I had to give it more instructions because I still wasn't quite happy with the results. So I told it, this is really cute, but please also make it actually scary for viewers that are here for chilling. But also YouTube appropriate content that won't get demonetized. Content should be brand friendly. Think PG-13, Stephen King novel type horror. So I'm giving it more context here. Stephen King is he's an author who makes horror fiction. So, and also like PG-13 and saying that it should be brand appropriate, won't get demonetized, because we'll want to have many people view these videos. We want people to view our channel, to view the content. So that's why we're telling it that. Still keep the cute anime character VTuber persona for the reader tone. Okay, so it gave me this, and I think I ended up settling on this. So you'll see, like, it takes a little bit of refinement. There's a little bit of an art to kind of get it to be better and what we want it to be. So there's a slight process to it. I think I ended up using this script here, and I'll share the script with you again. I'll put all the files in one place in this process guide, so we have an example about how this works. After that, I'm asking it to give me design references and notes to share with an animator who will make the character. It's saying that this is the description that I want to give them, everything they will need to create a design. If possible, find images from me on the web that could act as references. That didn't work out too well, so maybe we'll leave that out. If you struggle to find images, provide me prompts and art styles that can suggest to Stability AI to create reference images for the animator. So it gives me this. It's not perfect. I have to ask you for some more refinement too. Please format prompts so they can be easily added to Stability AI's Dream Studio input. It gave me this stuff. I'll say with Dream Studio, some prompts like these may have to be adjusted. If they have inappropriate words or bad or things that might be inappropriate, it won't run. So like this has the word Lolita dress, and like that word is kind of questionable depending what it is. I think it's just describing like a fashion style, but this word can mean something else. So I had to remove that from the prompt in order to get it to work. So I put that in the prompt here. And I think I got this output at first, which wasn't too good. So I had to make some adjustments. I got this output, which is a little bit better. Playing around with it some more, trying the different prompts. But eventually, I came to prompt number 4. And when I got prompt number 4 here, this is when I got the better designs. So these are the designs I got with prompt number 4. So I would take this prompt, take this prompt here, copy it, paste it into here. Depending on the style, you might need to pick a different style. So I did anime because this is kind of like the whole VTuber thing, but there's other tools we can use here too, right? And I'll grant you access to Dream Studio AI so we can work on some additional projects further together. And this produced this output, which is pretty good. So I'm happy with this. I'm pretty happy with this output. I'll share the details here about what you need, but for the most part, we don't need to change this. 1-to-1 is fine. Image count 4 is fine. We'll keep it at this model because it's slightly better. And over time, we'll work together on the prompts here. So we'll get really good at writing these because it's kind of a process. Some of them give really good output, other ones don't. But this was good. I was happy with most of the results here. Okay, so that's Dream Studio / Stability AI. The next piece is synthesis. Let me make sure I'm spelling that correctly. Synthesis.io. That's this piece here. So I will get the link with you, and I'll share that link with you too. Okay, so you'll get here. This is the new UI. What we want to do is we want to record a voice for the script. So once we're here, we'll go into AI voices. So we'll click into here. Let's hit explore. Yeah, so then we'll pick a voice. I can give you some direction about a voice to pick. We went with Amber. Yeah. Let's see. We'll find Amber. Have her favorited here. Select her, click on her, click add. And then we click here, add Amber in. And then we can start adding in the script. So we have the script that's here. Let's get towards the top. And we added in paragraph by paragraph. And we only want to add in what the character will actually be saying. So we don't have to add the title in, we don't have to add the setting in, but where the VTuber talks, we'll do this. Okay, I already added those in, but I'll just show another example here of us adding it paragraph by paragraph. These little pink purple things are like pauses in between. So let me move this part here. and then I'll hit play. I hope you can hear it. Let's see.
No, I didn't listen this.
Are you able to hear it?
No, no.
All
But
right,
I
give me.
try. It's working. No, don't worry. I tried before because when you send the link, I tried
Perfect.
and yes, it's working.
Awesome. All right, so I'm glad that that's working there. So I
Yeah.
think what we have here, we have a pretty good like process to kind of get these. We can get script ideas, we can get actual scripts, we can get image ideas for an animator that they can create like stuff from. They can create additional like animations from it, um, and then we have a way to get the audio script. So I think for the next one, are you comfortable with like trying this out? We can work together on it. So I'll work
Okay.
with you on this
Okay.
next script, and
Okay.
then we should be good to go. And I think we have something interesting here, some different content ideas we could try.
Yeah, I got it.
Awesome. Thanks, man. I appreciate it. I'll stop the recording here and I'll stop sharing my screen just a sec.
Okay. Just tell me one thing. Can you give me the main topic? Main. You can say domain, according to which I can search the new topics or script on ChatGPT.
Sure. Yeah. I'll think of a couple ideas for us
Yeah.
to use.